All right. Treat yourself to the barbershop quality grooming. This deluxe wet shaving kit has everything you need for that premium shave. This is item 69908. Also, such a great gift to give somebody. This is 12-piece set kit, includes everything for your wet shave. It has the weighted safety razor with 5 platinum coated Swedish steel blades that come with it. Has that fiber shave brush with the wood grain handle and soft nylon bristles. Has a durable alloy steel shave handle for stability. This is really heavy and like durable. 2 hydrating shave soaps that come with that. There's this one, and then it comes with this other one here. That. One is a cologne and ginger, and they're made with natural oils. Just lather those up. Comes with the rust resistant stainless steel shave bowl, so get all lathered up and get that nice shave. Has this nice Oxford leather dock kit, so everything fits right in that for your travels as well. Again, this is item 69908. This can be yours for $29.99, and that's nearly half off in savings.